Hey, future investors! Welcome back to my channel, The Money Mindset. Today, in this video, we'll discuss the stock market basics. So, to start this topic, we should know that what is the stock market? Think of it as a giant marketplace, but instead of buying candy or clothes, you're buying pieces of a company. These pieces are called stocks. And guess what? If the company does well, the piece of your stock becomes more valuable. Well, how does it work? Here's the cool part. When you buy a stock, you're not just throwing money into the wind. You're actually becoming a part owner of the company. Imagine owning a tiny bit of Apple, Google, or your favorite gaming company. The stock market is where people trade these stocks every day, hoping to make a profit. Why do stocks go up and down? Now you might wonder, why do stock prices change? Well, it's all about supply and demand. If lots of people want a stock, the price goes up. If people start selling, the price goes down. It's a bit like the hype around a new video game. Everyone wants in, and prices shoot up. Why should you care? You might be thinking, why should I care about the stock market? Here's the deal. Investing in stocks is one of the best ways to grow your money over time. Even small investments can turn into something big if you're patient and smart about it. Plus, starting early means you have more time to watch your money grow. Getting started. If you're interested in getting started, don't worry. You don't need a ton of money. Many platforms let you start with just a few dollars. The key is to learn the basics, do your research, and think long-term. So are you ready to explore the stock market and start your investing journey? Smash that like button if you found this helpful. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tips on making your money work for you.